Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
What are we doing today?
It's time for us to get some groceries.
All right, let's do it.
We're starting off, I got some mixed greens. I'm gonna just have some salads throughout different times throughout the week. And so I got some mixed greens, that's $2.89. And then I got 2 avocados and they're 49 cents each. That's a really good price for this area. And what I do when I find them on sale is I just get a few, I mash them down, and then I freeze them and put them in the freezer and then use them in smoothies. We're getting 1 pack of bread, and that's 99 cents. And we're grabbing 1 bag of the tortilla chips, the Clancy version, $1.79. And I'm actually grabbing this. It's here we go, $2.29. It's all natural, though. When something says it has natural flavors in it, I don't know if that's going to zoom in on it or not. It doesn't really mean that much, but it is made with stevia extract, and I'm going to take that when we go to theme parks, because if we get straight water out of the tap in like Universal Studios, the water doesn't taste good here in Orlando. Ask anyone. And so I'm just going to add a little of that to help mask the flavor a little bit. And we're grabbing some soy sauce, $1.55 for 1 jar, and we're getting the reduced sodium. Hi guys, we're gonna break in here right now. This video is turning into a complete mess, but anyway, as I was editing the video, I realized some stuff was missing from our Aldi haul. If you record on your cell phone, you might lose video clips into the abyss, and that's what happened. So we're gonna quickly tell you the 4 things that we're missing, how much they cost, and then we're gonna tell you the total and move on to our Walmart haul.
Yep, so we got 2 pounds of 8015 ground turkey, which was $6.49. Heavy whipped cream, 32 ounces, was $4.35. Penny pasta for a 16-ounce box was 92 cents. And then stewed tomatoes for a 15-ounce can was 79 cents.
That's right.
And that's it.
And tell them the total of all of our groceries.
All of our groceries from Aldi was $25.23.
All right, now to our Walmart haul. We're going to do some sliders. Probably could get some other type than the King's Hawaiian. That might work, but that would be a little cheaper. But these are, what is the price?
$4.33.
$4.33. This is $4.68. They fortunately did not have the great value of the cookies and cream, but we grabbed this because we're having quesadillas, and Joel, and especially Jacob, our son, likes to have cheese and chips, cheese dip and chips with the quesadillas. So we grabbed that for him or them. And it's time to replenish our Cliff Bars. So I got this 18 pack. I bought a rebate for that, so I'm gonna get about, oh, I forgot to say the price of this. What was it?
$4.98.
$4.98. Yeah. This was $19.76, but I have an Ibotta rebate. I'll get about 85 cents back, so it'll bring it just under $19, which is the cheapest Clif Bars you can get. These are really good, quick. They're about almost 300 calories for one, generally, and so they're good, quick source of energy. Since Joel's not drinking coffee anymore, we thought he might could use, a little energy source, and I like to eat these when I need something quick.
All right, so grabbing a jar of Ragu Simply, traditional flavor, and it's $1.96.
If you saw this in a previous haul, I got this and I made a low-carb stir-fry out of it. Actually, this is the other version, so it has a few things in it that the other one didn't have, like Brussels sprouts. But I'm going to make it this time. I'm going to record it in a what I eat in a day video. So be watching, but that's $3.18. our son's French bread pizza that he makes French bread pizza out of for $1.47. The spinach.
Yep, it's $1.
Spinach is $1, and then one garlic bulb, and we don't know.
$4.47 per pound.
Yeah, we won't know what the actual price is until we get it up there and weigh it. Okay, hey guys, we just gonna jump in right quick and say that it was really, really hot when we moved on to Sam's Club.
Yep.
So we did not record ourselves sitting in the car saying that. So we're about to insert all the Sam's Club footage that we had from inside the store with air conditioned. And then we will be right back with our meal plan and the totals. Right, Sam's did not disappoint him this time. Cheetos, $4.48 for the, what size is that?
It's 18.375.
Yeah, so bigger than what you can get in Walmart. Okay, what do we got there?
Big hunk of cheese.
All right. That's mozzarella for $15.98, I think.
It's $3.20 per pound.
We are grabbing one of these. They are the 3 1-pound packs. They are $15.48.
All right, so there you go. There's our haul from Sam's, and that's the whole haul of all the places we went to on our grocery haul that day.
Yep. Obviously, we didn't record this when we got home. No, that's different clothes, everything. Okay, anyway, let's jump into our totals. We have Aldi, Walmart, Sam's Club, the total, that means the total of all three of those. We budget $600 a month for 3 adults, and we have this amount to finish off for the rest of the month, which we just have to do one fill-in haul.
Yep.
And so that'll be whatever we have left minus the fill-in haul is pretty much what we're going to be using to move into our household essentials sinking fund.
Yep.
All right, so let's talk about our meal plan.
All right.
See how quick we can do this.
All right, so we're going to do bacon fried rice, which is a try something new recipe. And if you see a recipe alert here at the top, then you know that's something that's already in our recipe playlist. You can go ahead and check that out. If you don't see the alert, then you know that you can vote on that for the recipe of the week, which will come up on a Wednesday when we do our recipe of the week videos.
That's right. Then we have taco stuffed potatoes.
And then the next day we're going to be out. We're going to be eating out. We're going to be going to the parks and doing some filming there for our other channel. So we're going to probably eat out that night.
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to have leftovers.
Okay. And then we're going to do beef and cheese pasta.
Chicken quesadillas.
And then brings us around to pizza night.
Mm-hmm. And cheeseburger sliders. Hey, you guys, Joel made the meal plan this week because I was busy, and so they are very much things that he loves to eat. So they come highly recommended by Joel.
Yeah. Then we're going to do the spicy chicken lasagne pasta.
Mm-hmm. Then it says out again, so I guess we're going to be eating out again next Tuesday.
Yep. And then we'll do leftovers from the spicy chicken lasagne pasta the next night.
We have the chicken and gravy. That's a slow cooker recipe that we've done before, and it's got very minimal ingredients. So check that out.
And then we'll do leftovers from that.
Homemade pizza night again.
And then on the last night will be a spatchcock chicken. That gets us into October. The Saturday and Sunday gets us into October. So.
Yep. And so that will finish off our month. And like I said, we'll just have to go back to get a few fill-in things.
So drop us a comment below and let us know what you'd like to vote on for recipe of the week. We'd love to hear that. If you have recipes you'd like for us to try, we're more than willing to take a look at those as well. We're always looking for new recipes to try. So drop us those comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for updates when we upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, sometimes on the weekend, sometimes in between. You just kind of never know. We're going to drop one in there. But with that said, that's going to do it today for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
Don't forget to long run and give yourself a little grace.
Bye.